Hi, I'm Urvi from your video classes, and in this video I will show you how to change an exclamatory sentence into an assertive one. Let's see the definition of both the types first. In exclamatory sentence, sudden feelings like surprise, happiness, pity, etc. are expressed. An exclamatory mark is generally placed at the end of the sentence. Generally placed because we have sentences where interjection is used. So, in that case, the exclamatory mark will be placed after the interjection. Example of exclamatory sentence is, "What a great batsman Rohit is." Now we move to assertive sentence. An assertive or a declarative sentence declares or asserts a statement, opinion, history, etc. An assertive sentence ends with a full stop. Now we will change or transform the same sentence that I gave you earlier, and it will be, "Rohit is indeed a great batsman." How did I change it? The trick is very simple, and I am going to give you the same tricks here. In order to change an exclamatory sentence into the assertive without changing its meaning, the first thing that we need to do is we have to add adverbs like very, indeed, truly, I wish, great, etc. to the sentence. Secondly, we have to remove the exclamation mark and put a full stop. And the last, that is the structure of the sentence, will be subject, verb, adverb, adjective and object. Things may look difficult or confusing at this juncture, but with the examples, obviously you will be able to understand well. How gracefully she dances. This is a sentence in exclamatory form. We have to change this into an assertive one. So, we have to start with the subject, and what is the subject here? She. Verb is dances. After that, we have to add an adverb. Here we are adding very. Adjective given is gracefully. She dances very gracefully. Put a full stop, and you have transformed an exclamatory sentence into an assertive one. The next sentence is, "What an amazing performance it was." In this sentence, there is no object, but still we can do it, and the sentence in the assertive form will be, "It," which is the subject here, "was." Indeed, we added the adverb indeed here, an amazing adjective, and then we have the noun performance, which we will place here and end the sentence with a full stop. But it is not that every time we get a proper exclamatory sentence. There are sentences which have interjections or if conditions. In that case, how do we convert or transform an exclamatory into an assertive? Say you come across a word alas, then you have to replace alas with "it's a matter of sorry" or "regret that" or "we mourn that." For bravo, we use "it's a matter of pride that." Hurrah, we replace it with words like "it's a matter of joy that" or "we rejoice that." Coming to if condition, if it is a real condition, we use "I hope" instead of "if." But if it is unreal condition, we use "I wish." Let's see an example first. Hurrah! We won the match. Okay, here hurrah we have to replace with one of these two words given here. and we will replace it with it's a matter of joy that. And then remaining part we keep as it is. We won the match. One more example. Alas, he has lost his wallet, and its assertive sentence will be it is a matter of sorry that he has lost his wallet. See, what we are doing is we are just replacing alas or the interjections with the words which I have already given you. Bravo! You have passed the test with flying colors. It is a matter of pride that you have passed the test with flying colors. Next is, if I were present at the time of tragedy. It's a real condition. So, we will be using I hope. I hope I was present at the time of tragedy. The next sentence is, if I were a bird. It's totally an unreal condition, right? And its assertive will be, I wish I was a bird. We can also write were, but generally we prefer writing was. By now you must be clear that how you are going to change or transform an exclamatory sentence into an assertive one. So here I am giving you 5 sentences which you have to transform into assertive one. You can pause the video here, note down the sentences and check for the answers by yourself. The answers are, so did you get all answers correct? If yes, you need to like my video and share it with your friends, and if no, do watch it again and keep practicing. See you with some other topic in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.